Welcome to the Hadal zone, a realm where sunlight has never touched the abyss. At this depth, the pressure would crush a modern submarine. Ghostly inhabitants glide through the dark, adapted to a world of eternal silence. Every meter deeper is a journey back through millions of years. 8,000 meters down, and the silence begins to feel unnervingly heavy. Marine snow falls continuously, the only nutrients in this barren wasteland. Nature creates its own light here, a language of survival. These cliffs have stood for eons, guarding the secrets of the planet's deepest scars. Wait. Something is changing. The floor of the ocean is beginning to tremble. This isn't a volcanic eruption, it's something much larger. Did you see that? A shadow that eclipses the reach of our brightest lights. The instruments are failing. The water displacement is off the charts.
Whatever is down here, it is organic, massive, and very much alive. In this vast emptiness, we are the intruders. The host is waking.
The silence is over. It's a warning of a power long forgotten. A geological rift is opening, revealing what the Earth has hidden for ages.
Ancient ecosystems are shattered as the trench awakens. Powerful thermals create a chaotic storm in the deep, pulling everything inward. Behold, a gaze that has not seen light for 1,000 years is now open. It sees us. A primordial consciousness is calculating our moves.
The first limb emerges larger than any structure built by man. With effortless strength, it deconstructs the environment to free its massive body.
These are not just limbs, they are conduits of bioluminescent power. The foundation of the trench is collapsing as the Titan begins to ascend.
Gases trapped for millennia are released, signaling the return of the Deep King. The ROV is losing control. The displacement is terrifying. Its skin is a map of history, scarred by battles fought before humans existed. Binary sons of the abyss, designed for total dominance.
Its reach is infinite, spanning skyscrapers in a single stretch. It rises from its tomb, crowned by the dust of the ancient ocean floor.
Our presence is a mere flicker, a distraction to a god of the deep. Every suction cup is a hydraulic engine of destruction.
The abyss is no longer dark. It is illuminated by the herald of the end. The awakening is complete. The nightmare is reality. He is free. 1,000 years of slumber translated into terrifying motion. A frequency is building, something humans were never meant to hear. Physics are bending. The sonic pressure is turning water into steam instantly. Listen, that is the roar of the abyss, tearing the deep. A wall of sound hits like a solid object. The ocean is screaming. Even our technology cannot withstand this ancient voice.
Life within miles is extinguished by the sheer power of this display. We are swept away by the aftermath of that world-shaking cry.
The electromagnetic field is collapsing. The entity is a living EMP. It's a declaration of ownership over the 7 seas.
The Earth itself is answering the call, vibrating in harmony. An intelligent rhythm. This is a song of war, not a random cry. Even the giants of our legends are fleeing, a portrait of terror. This is the face we were never meant to see.
It is moving up. The depths can no longer contain its ambition. The king is ascending to the world of light. Can you feel that? The resonance is moving through the atoms of the water. Its movement creates weather systems beneath the waves. A flash that rivals the sun, generated by the friction of its power. The screen is dark. The abyss claims back its privacy.
It's gone, but the echoes of its roar will remain for centuries. Every bubble is the breath of a monster rising to the surface. The roar is the last thing you hear before the world changes. Moving with the grace of a god, it claims the middle depths. Active camouflage, it can vanish into the blue, becoming the ocean itself. Our largest animals are merely snacks in its shadow. It communicates through light, an eclipse under the waves. The sun has no power in its presence. This is a ruler returning. A crown of living light. The king is home. The ocean inhabitants follow him, instinctively recognizing their master. He is seeding the ocean, returning to the shadows. It rose to remind the world who rules. The pressure returns, but the weight of its presence remains. The trail leads to secrets we aren't ready to uncover. This isn't the first rise, and it won't be the last. The king is content. What are these marks? Symbols from an age before man, evidence of a world that thrived in the dark. He is watching us. The ocean holds millions of secrets. Are you brave enough? Subscribe to Hidden Sea Wonders and explore the deep. See you in the abyss.